In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80070070. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache as well as the junk files. Press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you can bring up this small window called Run. Type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. So please wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then let's move on to the next solution. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At the settings, we need to check for pending updates. So wait until you can get to see a left pane where where it is being consist of a list of the option here. Please select for Windows Update. And under the Windows Updates section, please click on Resume Updates or check for updates. In this way, you'd be able to update your computer for the latest version. Restart the PC, and surely it will fix the problem and as well as make improvement in your PC. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.